Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you many free tools and strategies that you can use to find some KOL and also insiders wallets for free. All the strategies that I'm going to share in this video are quite unique and no one talked about them on YouTube. So make sure to watch this video until the end because there are so many things to cover. Before I dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and also join my Telegram channel, FrightDev. Now let's get into it. Before I show you the free tools, I have to mention Axiom made some massive updates. Now you can customize your Twitter tracker, you can add some handlers or remove them. Also, whenever you click on a token, you can actually find some similar tokens because as you know, most of these tokens on PumpFun are copycats. And in this way, you can realize, for example, this is the copy of this token. This is very cool. And the good news is you can use my link in the video description to get 10% off in all your transaction fees. Now let me show you the tools that we're looking for. The first free tool that you can use is Zap. And to be honest, I can't believe this is free to use. You can find the link to this bot in the video description. Basically, it is a KOL aggregator. As soon as a KOL calls a token on his Telegram channel, you can find that token in the new calls section. And you can get many interesting data in here. For example, if I click on this token, you can see 4 channels called this one. You can find out the market cap. They called it, this channel called it at $41,000 market cap. Right now it's at around $50,000. This was the highest market cap it reached. And you can see the win rate for each KOL. For example, this KOL has 36% win rate on his calls. There are many interesting data in here. For example, let's take a look at this one. Some great channels, like for example, this one called it 52% win rate. In this way, you can find many good KOLs in this space. You can find, which tokens called most by, different influencers. And this is interesting to know. But just click on TG channels. I really like this section because you can find many good KOLs. As you can see in here, this channel had 12 calls and 83% win rate. This one, 5 calls, 100% win rate. Let's actually take a look at this one. You can find out his last calls. For example, he called this token at $77,000 market cap. It reached to, this market cap. The performance was great. And what I want to do is I want to find this KOL's wallet address because I want to be ahead of others. I want to, as soon as he buy a token, I can copy trade him. So let's click on this Telegram channel to join his channel. To find this KOL's wallet address, we have to find some cross traders among all his calls. And we have to check if those purchases happened before these calls or not. If you're following my channel, you probably know that we usually use Gatekept. However, Gatekept is not good enough because first of all, it will give us maximum 5 to 6 wallets for free. If you want more wallets, you have to pay for their premium plan. Also, unfortunately, most of the time when you give some tokens, Gatekept is not able to find cross traders between them and it's not powerful enough. However, we can use Dune Analytics for free to find all cross traders between almost 10 contracts. And this is very powerful. It's free to use. The only downside about this tool is it takes something around 5 minutes to get the result. However, it's much powerful than Gatekept. So what I have to do is I have to add all these calls in here. For example, this one, just copy that, add it in here. Let's find another call. For example, this one, copy that, paste it in here. Now I'm gonna add 3 more calls in here and then I'm gonna run it by clicking on this button. This could take few minutes, but I'm gonna back very soon. Now we can see the result. There are many wallets in here, but don't worry, most of them are repeated because each wallet has written 5 times. You can see, they are repeated. There are something around 10 to 15 unique wallets. I checked all of them and I found that this wallet is related to the KOL. This is the wallet. Let's actually copy that, go to GMGN website and paste the wallet in here. Now, to make sure this is the right wallet, we have to check his last calls. For example, he bought OK at $50,000 market cap. He aped at this market cap, but probably 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 30 minutes later, he posted this call. Let's actually take a look at this token. We can find OK token in here on GMGN website. Let me actually copy his wallet, go to maker section, and let's see when he bought the token. As you can see, he bought it at this candle at exactly $50,000 market cap. And just take a look at the time. He bought the token at 3:24 a.m. and he posted this call basically 10 minutes later at 3:46 a.m. You can check all his calls. They are all the same. For example, let me take a look at this one, MTC. I opened this on GMGN. You can see MTC. Let me copy the wallet again. Go to the maker section. Click on apply. He basically bought it at this candle at around $100,000 to $130,000 market cap. Let's see. Okay, look at this. Aped at $100,000 market cap. And just take a look at the time. He called it, at 5:39 a.m. But he bought the token earlier at 4:58. Basically 20 minutes after that, 30 minutes after that, he called the token. So this is the strategy that you can use to find so many KOL wallets. But let me show you another tool that is very useful as well. We're actually using Dune Analytics again, but this time wallet finder by characters. I'm gonna share this link in my Telegram channel. But basically by having the first characters of a wallet and also the end, you can find the full wallet address. Even if you have only the beginning or only the end of the wallet, that's enough for you to find it. For example, if you're watching my YouTube videos, I use GMGM website a lot, and you probably seen the first characters of my wallet and also the end in here. You were able to easily find my wallet address. Basically, you have to copy the beginning, and paste it in here. Let's actually test it out. For example, this is the wallet that we were able to find. Let's say someone blurred this section and only you can see the first characters and the end. Let's copy this, paste it in here. Again, let's copy this section. Actually, this happened for me. One of my viewers showed me his wallet address, but he blurred this section and I wasn't able to find his full wallet address. But I was able to easily find the full wallet address by using these characters. Let's paste it in here, the end, and now I can see the full wallet address. Even if I had only the beginning, I should write it in here, and you can see all the wallets with the same beginning or the same for the end. This is very useful. As you know, KOLs usually share their P&L cards on Twitter. And to be honest, these P&L cards usually are fake. You can see so many fake P&L cards on Twitter. However, if they are real, you can use this strategy to find a wallet. Basically, we're going to use DEX screener. You have to specify a date, for example, from 6th of March till 8th of March. Click on apply. Then for the type, we're only looking for buys, and for the USD amount, we have to write the total invested money in here, 5,700. So 5,700 until 5,800. Click on apply. Now you can see many wallets. What you have to do is to check their P&Ls. For example, this wallet basically lost money, something around $4,000. The P&L is minus $4,000. This one lost money. This one made money. The P&L is $1,000. So you have to keep watching to find the wallet you're looking for. But as I told you, most of these P&L cards are fake. And sometimes when it comes to some KOLs, they usually buy a token with multiple wallets, because some platforms like Axiom, Bulex, they allow you to buy the token with multiple wallets. And unfortunately, if the KOL you're looking for use this strategy, there is no possibility to find that wallet using the P&L card. Another free tool that you can use to find some smart wallets for copy trading is again Dune Analytics. I'm going to share this on my Telegram channel, but in here you can specify the P&L, the minimum win rate, the minimum tokens bought, or even some other data like, for example, recent activity days like 1 day. And after doing that, you have to click on run, and you can have so many wallets with the information you entered. But keep that in mind, the data it shows you is based on 60 days. So the win rate, for example, if the win rate is 70%, that's based on 60 days. But this is very useful tool. It's free to use, and I hope you guys can find so many good wallets using this one. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Cheers!